right, let's go get this morning feeding routine on. Everybody's here. I got a cute picture through the door this morning of Morris and Stripe. We had significant rain again yesterday, near an inch here at the house we're at. We're over 6 inches, just over 6 inches for the month so far. Yeah, if you're not starving, I know why, because you were in the house eating. Morris, come on, bud. Come on, Morris. Come on, the good stuff's up here, Morris. There you go. There you go. Yeah, I got some to put over here on the bricks, but that's the good stuff. The extra good stuff. And you already ate in the house, too. Hi. I'm so glad to see you continuing to do well in the morning. There you go, bud, if you need just a little more. Here you go. Hi, bud. Hi. So, shopping with Michelle today. Yay. I'm excited, as always. Like I said, a lot of rain. We're supposed to be moving into a drier, much warmer pattern. It's going to be 93 on Saturday or something. That's what they say anyway. Here at the house, it'll probably be in the upper 80s. I feel like I haven't got a chance to walk around and look at anything in the yard for days because I got to be someplace really fast, and I got all this, everything is wet. Everything is wet. So there is a small chance of a thunderstorm this afternoon, but not like the rain we had, and I don't want any more rain today. It's going to start to cause fungus on my plants and rot, and I need it not to rain anymore right now. I need it to dry out in between. I'm grateful for the rain. The oak leaf hydrangea is looking very pretty there. And I have a few other blooms. I don't know, maybe a little thing up there over here on the side. Very nice, very nice. So this my camera card filled up. All I was going to say was that I had waited a long time to see that oak leaf hydrangea bloom, and I was pleased. I'll take you guys on more of a tour probably tomorrow when I can walk and it's a little I have more time and it's a little drier out there. Right now walking around is really slick. One of the owlets is in the tree up there. I've seen the baby this morning. It's facing that way, so I didn't see the face, but it was definitely one of the owlets. I thought I saw this big white thing come across the front yard this morning when I was looking out the bathroom window. It's possible one is over here and one is over here, or they've moved again. They don't fly really good right now, so little short hops is about all they're doing. I got the water out of the bird feeder. When we have torrential rain like that, it gets some water in it. It's fine. And I'm still trying to finish up to get on out of here. But I'll definitely take you guys for a tour tomorrow. There are some things worth showing. All of the impatiens are starting to get big. And where I planted them 10 days ago or a little more. Hi, Mr. Tufted Titmouse. Yeah, they still come up here and eat. The squirrel and the birds, they still are up here knocking on this cat chow every day. Leaving a little bit for the raccoon and the possum overnight, possibly. Hey, great girl, good morning. I know you be missing Johnny, but I'll be in a little later today to sit with you, okay? My editing partner, I could use the help. Got lots of stuff from yesterday's bird park. Yep, lots to go through. Good girl. Well, we've made it around one time this morning. We're going to go a second time, even though we're a little behind. Not a lot of trash in the park today, but everything that there was wet, of course, from the last 2 days of rain. I let Don handle the thing that had ants on it. I didn't go near no ants. I still want to know why, when I pick up all the trash all the time, and all of the nails on the ground and the screws and the sharp pieces of metal over there by the recycle bin, why we keep getting flat tires. I really want to ask God that question today.
Well, my girl is all ready to go in her birthday shirt. Look at that beautiful flowers on it.
Columbine's the state flower of Colorado.
Yes. Thank you, Michelle and Adam. That's very kind of you.
Aw, hi, baby.
And then there's the kitty cat.
Yeah, Mama B won't be gone too long today. Yeah. Okay.
And this one down here.
Thank God.
I said, I don't know how to make it go. There it is. No, there's the cat. He's still doing good. He's waiting for Mama to let him out, and he's going to gallivant and have a great kitty cat time.
Well, Don got Ruby out for me. I assume if there was anything wrong with the tire, he would have noticed. I won't get a good, you know, TPMS read until I've driven a mile or two. I'm not going far today, just up the Guardian Angel. At least that's my first place, probably my only place. I bet the baby owl is still in the tree there by the box this afternoon when I come home, because they don't move around a lot in the middle of the day. Well, at least the adults don't. It would be nice to catch the parents bringing in some food, possibly indicating where both babies are. Don and I did give it a good look coming down the driveway, stopping Jules multiple times and trying to see if we could spot the other one, but we were not able to do that. Which doesn't mean a darn thing, except that we weren't able to spot them. All right, Michelle will be here in just a minute, she says. Let's see what we can find today. I'm in the mood to find good stuff. This getting to be that time of year. Perfect. You look like you might have done that before.
Oh, yes, I have.
Michelle was in the Air Force, just in case you missed that. Michelle is, yep, a veteran. Somebody's gently used test truck collection. Pretty neat. Oh, this is pretty. Could have come from like Carolina pottery or something. Is that like an owl on the side? But I don't love it, and it's not really quite big enough. They have 12 on it. There's been no dirt inside of it, so it's pretty. It's pretty. It says Connor on it. Yes, you need to take it home and torment him with it. Yes. And so Ariel's graduation, June the 17th. I cannot believe it's that far out still. Wow, I thought she was like next week, and I was going to be late.
Nope.
Okay. We're talking about one of the kids. One of Michelle's kids, Johnny, not you. And Michelle's like, yeah, I just told AKA kid 2. What did you tell him?
Suck it up, Buttercup.
And I was like, oh my God, are you the one that taught me that phrase? Because I said it to Dawn in the last month, and we continue to have this joke about it because something was going on, and I said, just suck it up, Buttercup. And I was like, I'm normally a pretty empathetic person, kind, sweet, helpful, but not that one moment. It's a good thing he loves me, right? I think it's your fault. I think I got it from you. I think that's one of your sayings. My grandmother, my grandmother never said that one. I'm adjusting, but I still haven't bought any glassware since things have been moved around, just because I haven't seen anything. If I even remotely thought I had a use for that, I would buy it. That is such a cool piece of Pyrex, and I don't have that exact shape. There was certainly a time when one of the kids would have been asking me for this cup. Probably Sam. I think that would have been a Sam cup. Oh, you're a gem, Michelle. That's what it's. Very nice, yes. I got some great little gift bags and wrapping paper options today. Cat socks. They had a couple of boxes of Lego in a goodie bag in there. That was a good deal, so they came home with me. And then Michelle has handed me some more goodies in this library cat shopping bag. It's perfect. Thank you. Well, I enjoyed it. I get really sad when it's over until next week.
I can't wait for it. It's the summer now. I don't have to worry about picking up kids.
Right. That's true. I'm liking that sounds of that. But don't worry, they'll fill up your days anyway. But you got 2 with driver's licenses now.
So they could go on their own.
Hopefully but then they'll want your car. We need to fix that, Sean.
They'll have to come pick me up.
Yes, well, I would.
Or they could just drop me off at your house.
Right.
Like
If you want the car, you got to drop Mom off at Miss Mary Ann's house.
Like, okay, but you got to drop me off. Is that okay? Asking. I'm pathetic.
Oh, it'll work out. Hey there. I like it when you come out to greet me.
Aww,
I love you.
I love you too.
I bet you're getting hungry. I'll fix you something to eat in a few minutes.
Yep, always
Okay. Amazon came.
Yes, ma'am.
I was showing off the bird feeder and bird bath cameras to Michelle.
Oh.
And I saw that a delivery vehicle had been down the
Yep.
driveway. It looked like it was probably Amazon, but not in a regular Amazon truck.
It was in a rental.
Budget.
Budget. Some one
Yeah.
of those. Yes.
Was it all my stuff?
Yeah, it was your subscribe and save.
Okay.
I took care of it.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yay for Amazon coming while I wasn't home.
That's right.
Whoever's home's got to deal with it.
That's pretty much the way it works.
I missed you guys too. I did. The good kitties. Good kitties. She goes, Mom, I just can't help it. I like it when clothes get laid up on the counter that I can play with. I just can't help it. So I got lots of bags today, and they were all 50 cents, and some of them are Hallmarks. They all have, you know, like extra real ribbon or an extra tag on them or something. So that was really nice. Some birthday wrapping paper. Then it says Innisbrook wraps, so not Hallmark, but still, it's nice paper. Enough hair doodad. There we go. I don't know why the camera's being funky. Enough hair doodad things for the lifetime supply. A couple of Lego boxes. These were in a, I think this was a gift with purchase. They were in with, like a grab bag thing for $12, and these are both unopened. And like this went for $12.99 originally, I think. So it's certainly worth that. And there was other stuff in there that I didn't want that I gave to Michelle for her goodie grab bag thing for Halloween, because she gives out lots of stuff and not just candy. So that was good. I bought one of these hand towels last week. They put out another one. That's good. A top for me. Can I get in there? Another top for me. They're both sleeveless. A 4th of July shirt for Johnny. And my pair of kitty socks. A dress for me. That's comfortable. Summer thing, and a shirt. So Michelle ended up, she had 6 things and she got 2 of mine free. I had 5 things, so she took it this week. I think I took it last time. We don't really keep track too much. But I got enough to go do some laundry. Well, with me and Dawn here today. I'll probably just wait till normal time. No, kill my laundry. Don't kill my laundry. Don't kill my laundry. I'm just sitting here thinking how thankful I am that she's well and spunky. That's what I'm thinking, that I don't want to ever be frustrated or anything, because I'm so lucky to have them well. You know, I've just been so traumatized. I am not losing patience with humans or critters in my life that I love. That's right. That's right. That's right. She goes, it's fun, Mom. It's fun. It's fun. So 2 or 3 years ago, a while ago, Michelle got this for me at a convention, this wallet, and it's handmade by a local artist, and you could see why she gave it to me. It was either for birthday or Christmas. Well, she's given me another option made by the same lady. It's Lisa Larker, Nemesis Now Designs. And, you know, this is, she often uses one. She has several as well. And, you know, with my love of black kitties and kitties in general. So that's really special. This one's held up really well, I have to say. And I will probably switch over here in a little bit. There were also some cute hand towels in the bag. If cats could talk, they wouldn't. Home is where the paws are. And Cat Mom. So that was really thoughtful. Thank you, Michelle. Hi, Miss Lovey-Dovey. I'm gonna work on my Lego store. Bricks came from EMS Bricks today. I needed a lot more white, good quality white. So they came, and I should be able to build up the walls and put in the stockroom store shelves pretty easy. Yeah, I started adding the stock shelves, but I don't have one of the parts I needed. I just want to scream. Maybe upstairs. I haven't gone and looked upstairs. In an hour or two, it'll be a lot cooler up there. more walls put on and a clock and a computer monitor thing, and I've got all of the boxes built. I just need the shelves, the 2x8 in the dark bluish gray. Either that or I'm changing to a different color shelf. Okay, I switched the color of the shelving and I got it installed, so I'm done with the stock shelves.